happened to me in the real life experience, and hopefully this won't happen to you guys. Make sure you install these thingies right here. Also, because this time we got lucky, the chassis underneath did not get damaged, but there is a little bit of scrapage over here. Not much, but a little bit. Luckily, you do have spare parts for these should this happen to you, but you know what? Just don't make it happen to you. Since I went ahead and made the mistake, you guys don't have to. So there we go. So make sure you have these two little pieces. They are absolutely minuscule, but they are important. So don't forget to install them on your vehicle, or you'll be sorry, just the way I was. And your friends will laugh at you when when things go wrong. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care, guys.
Likey.